In this video, I am going to show you on how you can view your CSAT results in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the top right and go to Admin Center. If you're not yet on the Admin Center, simply click right here and choose the Admin Center. From here, we're going to click on Objects and Rules on the left panel, and then once we scroll down, we should see the Customer Satisfaction under Business Rules. By clicking here, you should see all the customer satisfaction results currently available or finished through the surveys that you made on your account. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.